Hello everyone, my name is Kalpana Singh and I am making videos related to cabin crew interviews, ground staff and all about aviation industry. So today's video is regarding ground staff. One of you commented me to make videos related to ground staff. So today this video is only related to ground staff, where I will share each and every information related to ground staff. And so without wasting time, let's come to the video. Hope this video will help you in clearing your doubts related to ground staffs. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section. I am there to help you with all your doubts. So let's come to the video. So first thing I would like to share, that is the qualification, the eligibility criteria which is required for applying for ground staff. So the first thing is that the qualification, the minimum qualification which is required for the ground staff is graduate. You must be graduate, and some of the company like Go Air and SpiceJet, they will give you some preference, and you can also apply if you are pursuing your third year. Then also you can apply for ground staff in SpiceJet and Go Air. So the second thing is that your your communication skills should be great. You have good communication skill. Your English and Hindi should be great. And third thing is that your height and weight should be accurate. So they don't have any specification related to height and weight, but your BMI should be perfect, because if your BMI is perfect, then you count it as the healthy employee of the company. And fourth thing is that if you have any customer service experience, that will help you a lot in cracking ground staff interview. So these are the eligibility criteria for ground staff. Not so very tough. And like if you are applying for security, so there should be a particular test which you have to give, and that is done by the company only, so you don't have to very worry about that. So now I will tell you about the profiles which are there in ground staff. So I would like to tell you, you will get lots of opportunity in ground staff compared to cabin crew, because in cabin crew we have only one or two profiles, that cabin crew, lead cabin crew, manager cabin crew, these only. But in ground staff you have lots of opportunity, so you can apply for any of the position. So the first, I will tell you what are the positions are there in ground staff. So the first thing is that the reservation department. So in reservation department, when you go in airport, then you can see the cabins are made of different companies, and there are some people sitting. So whenever we have any query related to flight or related to baggage, or we want to book a ticket from airport, so that time we directly go there and we ask them. So that is the reservation department, and they help us with all our doubts and everything. So that is the front office of the particular company, where everyone go and ask for the information related to anything. The second thing is that which is the safety and security. So you have seen that whenever we travel, whenever we go on airport, so sorry, so first they will check our baggage, and after that they will do our screening. So first they will check our baggage, they will scan all the objects which we are taking with us. So if we have anything which is against the rule of the particular company, so they will ask us to remove that thing and then proceed for the further step. So that is also those are the people are called as security officer. So that is also a very good profile, where you will you have to help the player in baggage and in particular things. So that will also a very good profile. The third thing is that the customer service, the customer caring agent. So they are the people who are on airport, and they help people who are disabled and the little child, those who have a lot of child with them. So they are there to help them. And also if any celebrity or any of the people are coming, so we give some extra support to the to particular passenger. So they are the person who can handle VIP handling, and also disabled handling people. So that is also the part of the job, and there you will also get lot of chance to interact with people and also provide them information, provide them service. So that is also a very good job. And the first thing is that if you are getting any opportunity to apply for aviation, just go for that, because if you have experience in aviation, you can apply for cabin crew as well, and they will give you preference for that. So that is also going to be good. So Now I will help you with the facilities and or other information related to ground staff. So the facilities are like you will not get chance to travel every day as cabin crew, as we know that we are working from ground, but you will get good amount of salary. But it's compared to ground cabin crew, the salary of ground staff is not that much, but still it is a good amount of salary. And like the advantage is that like if you work for 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, so you will get promotion. So like after that you can also apply for like other profile also. You can apply for, if you are working as a customer service, then you can apply for supervisor. After that you can apply for a manager. So more and more experience you will get, more and more your value will increase, and you can apply for more, for like bigger position. So that will help you in that. That also you will also get some tickets, you will also get some concession in tickets and other things. So these all are the things which is included in ground staff. So if you are planning to apply for ground staff, so you can go for, because ground staff interview was not very very tough. You can crack it easily if you are eligible, because I am not eligible. I am pursuing my graduation, so therefore I am waiting for my graduate. Next year I will complete it, and then I will apply for ground staff. And after that I'm also along with that I'm applying for cabin crew also. So it's not mean that you become ground staff, so now you cannot apply for cabin crew. So yes, there should be a particular time period where they will ask you to you have to work till that time. But then also if you get any opportunity, if you got selected for cabin crew, then also it's fine. You can tell them that I applied for this company, I got selected. So they will understand you, and they will give you they will let you go from the company. There is nothing like a bond kind of thing. They will ask you when you will get selected for the particular company as a ground staff. So yes, they will ask you for particular amount as a bond, and after that they will also tell you to sign a bond. So you just have to sign that bond, and that amount is refundable after completing your 2 years. If that bond is for 2 years, after completing your 2 years you will get that money back. And if you will leave the company in between 2 years, then you will not get that money. So that money is taken as security money from the company, and that should not, if you will leave it between, then you will not get that money. But it's fine that if you're getting selected for cabin crew, so that would be great, and you can earn that money after long. So if you have any doubt, anything related to ground staff or any of the position, then please let me know. I am there to help you with the issue, and please also suggest me to make more videos, suggest me the topic for making more videos, because I am not getting topic what should I make. So it's better that if you will tell me, and if you will ask me to make more videos, so that I will get motivation to make more videos, and also I will feel happy that yes, I am doing something which is helping people. That is the more important thing. So I don't want any kind of you should like anything, but I just want you to help with the information which I had, so that you will also get that information, and you can also go for the step. Because I know I am a aviation aspirant, so I can understand you that what are the doubts you have, because I also had that doubt. So I just try to research and try to help you with that. So please let me know if the video is helping you. Please comment me in the comment section, and please let me know, because that is the only thing which motivating me to make more videos. So if you are learning from me, then it could be fine. I don't want anything else. If you are learning from me, if I'm helping you, then it would be great, because I have only goal to help you, nothing else. Okay, bye, take care everyone, I love you a lot. If you have any doubt, please comment me, and also suggest me topics for making more videos, so that I can able to make more videos every day. At least I can upload one video every day. Okay, bye, take care everyone.